Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund and Money Mile present your goals, dreams and plans.
Hello and welcome to Your GDP, which is your goal, dream, plan. It's a series where we seek to educate our viewers on what your goals are, what your dreams are, and what you can do to plan accordingly to achieve those goals. Joining me today is well-known personal finance trainer and author, Amit Trivedi. Thank you very much, Amit. A pleasure talking to you. Amit, what is the role of debt in a portfolio? We tend to speak a lot about equity and not so much about debt, but what according to you is the role debt plays in a portfolio?
Primarily, debt can serve three important purposes. Number one, when you need regular income, equity is not the place because by nature, equity is volatile in the short run, but has a potential to beat inflation over longer periods. Whereas debt is less volatile in the short run and also has the ability to generate regular income. So number one is when you need income, debt component is what we should rely on, number one. Number two, debt also provides buffer against the volatility of equity. And if you have a portfolio, spread between equity and debt both, then the total portfolio's volatility reduces, to a great extent. And of course, you can work out the balance between equity and debt to achieve closer to the desired level of volatility, which means you can cut down on the risk, you can increase the risk depending on your requirement, unique requirement. The third is where a debt or a liquid fund can be used to park money, on a short-term basis, from where it can take advantage of various opportunities that may arise or do a systematic transfer plan into equity. So in order to build long-term portfolio. These are three primary purposes. And I'm only talking about the long-term portfolio, medium to long-term portfolio. There is one important thing that one needs to keep in mind, that before building a medium to long-term portfolio, the short-term needs are to be taken care of. And that's where emergency fund is important, critical. And that's the need for an emergency fund is already been established. Last year, a lot of people realize how important it is. And that's where liquid funds come in. So this is the role of debt. Which are the categories among the mutual funds that one can look at? There are numerous categories. I think there are 15 plus categories as classified by SEBI. But within that, on the liquid side, there could be overnight funds, liquid funds, money market funds, ultra short-term funds, etc., etc. On the longer side, for medium to long-term period, one can look at corporate debt funds or the PSU and banking debt funds or government securities funds or gilt funds. Only those who are a little more enterprising, those who understand a bit and want to take a little higher risk can also look at credit risk funds in their portfolio. So there are multiple categories and, the purposes is what we discussed.
It's been a pleasure talking to you, Amit Trivedi. Thank you very much for coming by and sharing your perspective with our viewers. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Pleasure is mine.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.